Hey guys, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Today on the show where I watch police chases, this is a Shelby GT500 running away from ASP.
Try to get up on it. Hoonigan?
Yeah, that's him.
A GT500. May I repeat myself? A Shelby GT500 running from ASP. The cop said he's riding dirty. The cop turns on the lights, which activates the audio, etc.
Oh, he's just fucking with us now.
Oh my fucking goodness. Bro, turn off everything. Yeah, turn off everything, bro. That's a fucking GT500.
Oh, he's just fucking with us
He said, man, he's fucking with us. Bro, wait. Why he ratioed the cops like that, bro? What the fuck is in that thing, bro? Yeah, you hear that? He was like, pat, 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 pat. Bro. Mustang W, bro. The cops couldn't even get the donut, bro.
Really, nigga?
What the fuck? I just watched, bro. Mustang W, bro. Don't run from the police, but damn. Dude. Got their ass. It's JTSpeeds, and I'm out. Peace.
Up an automatic on you, what you finna do, bitch? It's just me and yellow lotion cooking in the stew, bitch. I just fucked on cool, bitch. Yo, bitch for the crew, bitch. Check out them bull sticks, and I heard y'all watch it tick. Told your bitch to lick my dick, super sloppy with the spit. Empty out this fucking clip. Why you staring at my clip, nigga? You a fucking jet. I might pull up your bitch. Bottoms on my feet, and it costs 4 figures. To the whites, you a nigga, and your bitch, I'm a splitter. It depending who with her, and your sis, I might hit her. Bitch, I'm sweet, but I'm bitter. I'm with poo, bitch, like Tigger. Got my blade, where my ripper. Like Beyblade, I'm a spinner. She bad, I might.